Hello, this is my Saturday vlog. I'm going to give you information on eradicating a cold, getting rid of a cold. Now, most colds are, what did they say? Virus? It's when they turn into kind of anything bacterial is when you have to worry about like pneumonia and stuff. But a cold, I've looked online, it lasts from, what did they say, 10 to 14 days. So now being Sunday, it's 7 days for me. I'd gone to an audition for a play, and the director involved was sniffling and snurping and sneezing, and I thought, oh, great. So I stayed away from her, but apparently germs travel very quickly. And me being a nice, clean slate, the germs all came to party at my house. And me. It started with me as a drippy nose. My nose just started running and running and running, and I started blowing my nose. Then it got stuffed up. And when your nose gets stuffed up and you can't do anything with it, then it gets stagnant and it starts to discolor and it gets infected. So you have to try to keep your nasal passages as clear as possible. Now, I made a homemade solution, but they do sell the saline solution at the drugstores. It's mostly salt water. It's purified water and salt, and it has like a baking soda pH balancer, so it doesn't burn your nasal passages when you spritz the stuff up in your. You spritz the salt water up in your nose, and the salt, I don't know, somehow it kind of dries up some of the water and gets all the snot together. So when you blow, it just goes. I know that sounds gross, but I mean I don't know how else to say it. So that drinking lots and lots of water. I had a small fever at first, and if you can at all possible, rest. Don't do anything. Lay in bed. Cover up. Get as much sleep as possible. Rest whenever you can. Drink lots and lots of fluids. I drank orange juice. I love orange juice. Fruit juices are good. Take your vitamins. And then I used like daytime cold medicine, and then I had a nighttime cold medicine. But the only thing with those is it like dries up your mouth. So at night when you're laying there and your nose stuffs up and you're starting like, breathing through your mouth, then your mouth gets so dry that your lips stick up like this. And that's where I take what I call a wash rag or a washcloth. Like when you're taking a shower or a bath, a clean one of these. You get it wet and you wring it out so it's just damp. And when you're sleeping, well, it feels good to put a cool cloth on your head. But also, when you're breathing through your mouth, you breathe the moisture through the cloth and it helps your throat from being too sore. Gargling with salt water, that'll help. And just try to get as much rest as possible. And you can tell kind of when you're going along and then this whatever hits you, the sinuses and all that, and it's like riding a bicycle uphill. And then you can tell when you get to this point. And now I'm about here. Not gone, not totally. And I have felt better and I felt like doing stuff. Yesterday when I started doing stuff, I started feeling kind of woozy and dizzy because I still have sinus crap. And said, no, I have to rest. I'm anxious to get things done, but rest as much as humanly possible. And when it's gone, you'll be able to dance around and have a good time. A person doesn't realize what good health means to yourself. You can have all the money in the world, but if you're not well enough to do anything, go anywhere, or be with people, or be by yourself, or whatever you have pleasure doing, if you don't have health to do it, it's just not the same. So trying to stay healthy. That's I've gone far too long with this, and I'm still battling it. And that's all I gotta say for today. Upward and onward.